Have these documents ready before contacting property management companies, so you appear organized and ready to form official partnerships. Bring a completed W-9 form and a copy for your records, and know how to quickly send an electronic version by email if requested. Carry clear evidence of your state or local pest control licensure and any applicator endorsements relevant to the services you offer. If a license number is not obvious, include a photocopy of the license and the issuing authority so the manager can verify credentials. Present current insurance certificates showing general liability and commercial auto coverage, and name the property management company as additional insured on request. Be ready to provide the insurance agent contact information and policy limits. Have professional business cards and a concise, one-page company fact sheet that lists services, service areas, average response times, your guaranteed procedures for common pests, and a brief client reference list with contact permission. Prepare a succinct written pitch and value statement that explains your pricing model, billing terms, and escalation process for recurring infestations or tenant complaints, so managers can quickly assess operational fit. Store digital copies of all documents in a single folder on your phone and cloud, so you can email attachments immediately or hand over a flash drive when asked. Common issues are showing up without a filled W-9 and then delaying onboarding, so always complete and bring the form to avoid payment holdups. Another frequent problem is presenting outdated or incomplete insurance and license documentation, which raises compliance objections. Solve this by routinely confirming policy expiration dates and keeping current paper and digital copies. A third concern is giving a rambling pitch that confuses decision makers, so practice a tight 30 to 45 second value statement focused on response time, warranty, and tenant safety, and follow it with the one-page fact sheet. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare services related to pest control and property maintenance. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host an active discussion community where members ask questions, share experiences, and post referrals.